everyone, my name is Lily. I'm a social worker with CPS, and today I want to talk about what happens if you don't want to cooperate with CPS. So, in the beginning stages in an investigation, if you don't want to allow, you don't want to talk to the social worker, that's on you. But if they do have to check the safety of your kids, if the if the parents refusing to allow contact with the kids, the social worker can go get a warrant so that they can be interviewed. Or if it's sufficient enough concern, they can remove the children and ask the questions once they're already in custody. Once you have a case, it's a little bit more complicated because you have 6 to 12 months to comply with the court orders and reunify. But if you don't want to do anything, there's nothing we can do about it. Nobody is forcing you to do anything. We are offering, encouraging, and reminding you of what the court order is. So if for any reason you don't want to comply with those court orders, there's nothing we can do. So in a nutshell, what happens is a whole lot of nothing. I, as a social worker, would give clients monthly reminders of what there's on their plan, on their reunification plan, and just tell them, remember you have to do this class or that class, and show these different behavior shows you're living a sober lifestyle, or that you're not engaging in domestic violence, or whatever the case might be. The consequence, though, is that if you don't do what's asked of you, then you lose your reunification services, and you eventually will lose full custody of your child, whether it's to a long-term plan in foster care or adoption. Legal guardianship or adoption. So can you technically reunify without doing the classes the social worker is sending you to? Yes, potentially you could, if you convince the judge that you've changed your circumstances without having to go to the classes, but it's very unlikely. And again, the consequence is your child might end up being adopted by somebody else. So I very highly recommend that parents cooperate with their social workers and follow through with what's being asked for by the court. Okay, that's short and sweet today.